Welcome everyone. Today we'll be focusing on the topic of spelling to help you prepare for the LANTITE exam. In this lesson, we'll cover common challenges in English, spelling and strategies to overcome them, so you can walk into the exam with confidence. English spelling can be tricky, especially due to its irregularities. Common spelling challenges you will likely see on exam day include homophones, silent letters, irregular plurals, double consonants, and vowel confusion. Starting with homophones. These are words that sound the same, but have different meanings and spellings, for example, to and two. Can you think of more? There, and there. Now, the purpose of this lesson is to provide a refresher for spelling material, and the expectation is that you are familiar with the content. This way, we can keep you progressing through your LANTITE prep quickly. Here is a list of common homophone challenges. Pause the video here and examine the words and their meanings. Great. Here are some more you will want to be familiar with. Excellent. Take a moment here as well and read through these homophones. Now, let's move to silent letters, which are words that contain letters not pronounced, such as night, psychology, and receipt. The next type of common spelling challenges are irregular plurals, which don't follow the usual rules of adding an S or ES. Instead, they change entirely, and you'll need to memorize them. Here is our list of 10 commonly confused irregular plurals. Next, we have double consonants, which can happen when we add a suffix. When we add suffixes, we need to remember to double the consonant in certain cases. Words like begin become beginning, which many people forget to do. Here is our list of commonly used double consonants. Take a moment to study this list. Up next, we have vowel confusion, which in English can be quite confusing, and it's important to recognize patterns such as I before E except after C to reduce errors in spelling. Here is a list of examples that are commonly confused. Take a moment to make sure you are familiar with each. Moving on, your exam may ask you to demonstrate your ability to provide effective spelling instructions. If you receive a question on test day that asks you to select the most appropriate technique for improving a student's spelling, look for answer options that include using mnemonic devices, breaking words into syllables, practicing regularly, using spell check wisely, or reading a wide variety of books. Now, as a recap, remember that mnemonic devices are memory aids to help remember tricky spellings. Next, breaking words into syllables to make them easier to spell. We can also help our students by facilitating regular practice by using lists, apps, flashcards, or other tools and techniques. In summary, mastering spelling for the LANTITE exam is about focusing on the areas that tend to trip our students and ourselves up. To be fully prepared for the spelling section of your LANTITE exam, make sure to use our full-length online timed practice tests so you can pass with confidence. Thank you for joining, and we hope you join the next lesson.